Hello, this is Billy Core from home of CarolinaCircleMall.com with the Putt-Putt Goes to the Moon demo. Ooh.
Hi, I'm Putt-Putt. Uh-oh. It looks like I'm stuck on the moon. I need to find a way back to Earth.
Okay,
I guess the radio doesn't work on the moon.
It should have been like that in the first game. Notice how it doesn't use the soundtrack that was in the normal Putt-Putt Goes to the Moon game. Instead, it uses the Putt-Putt Joins the Parade soundtrack. Kinda interesting. Sounds kinda out of place too. There's only one key this time.
What a big key!
I'm Governor Moonbeam, and you must be,
Hi, I'm Putt-Putt.
Greetings! Whew! It's so hot out today. I'd even trade my favorite key for something cold.
Okay. Took a while to figure this out, but go back to the rocket ship. And we're going to grab an ice cream cone.
Oh boy, ice cream! I'll bet Governor Moonbeam would like this.
Yeah, me too.
I don't think you could use it like that. I'll bet Governor Moonbeam would like this.
Kind of insults my intelligence there.
Hello, Putt-Putt. Whew! It's so hot out today. I'd even trade my favorite key for something cold. Ice cream? Why, thank you, Putt-Putt. Feel free to take the key in the case.
Okay, now I got the key. Guess I'll just take it to the rocket ship. That's pretty much the demo there.
Hooray! Now I could go inside. It looks like this rocket is missing some parts. I'll have to find those parts before I can get back home.
Okay, and this
I
is Bill
better
Core
get
signing
busy and
off.
find them. See you later.